Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My DIY Top 1. Today, I'm going to do a very special trick about the battery in this thermometer. As you can see, the temperature was not used. And now I'm going to test it. First, I'm going to deploy this battery tester. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. Now, let's check this battery. This battery is still usable. Next, check the rest. I'm going to show you now how to restore this battery that we don't need to buy new. It will help us save money. This trick with just one chili. After we put the battery in the pepper, let's use adhesive tape and wrap up the cut. Let's take this marble out after we've left it for a while. Please clean it. Now, let's check this boundary again. Just one more time. As you can see, it's increased. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.